Linen and laundry service. Introduction. A good housekeeping department should occupy a well-equipped and furnished space for performing their operation. Every hotel has to occupy adequate space to storage of supplies and exchange of soiled and fresh linens, as linen room is considered as the base of hotel for performing operational activity. What is linen room? The linen room performs as a storage point and distribution center for issuing clean linen. The linen room is generally handled by the supervisor of housekeeping department. So, ang linen room ay ang center stage para sa pagsuporta sa papel na ginagampanan ng housekeeping department. Gumaganap ito bilang isang storage point at distribution center para sa pag-issue ng malinis na linen. Ang activity ng linen room ay pagkolekta ng mga soiled linen, pagbibilang at paghihiwalay ng mga soiled linen at iba pa. What is linen and laundry service? Hotel linens and guest clothes must be laundered appropriately to ensure cleanliness and sanitation within the hotel premises. Laundering is another task that must be present in the hospitality industry, such as hotel establishment. The process of laundering linens and the level of service to the guests is only limited depending on the schedule of delivery and available stock. Ang mga damit ng mga guests at mga linen ng hotel ay dapat itong malaban ng mabuti. Dito ang proseso ng paglalaban ng linen sa laundry room. The linen and laundry section is responsible for the processing of all requests for laundry service. Different types of linen. For bed linen, sa bed linen, ang mga kagamitan doon ay ang bedsheets, pillowcases, blankets, bedspreads, mattress protector, duvet covers, electric blankets. For bathroom linen, face towels, hand towels, bath mats, bathrobe, shower curtains. For table linen, napkins, tablecloths, slip clothes, table skirting, underlays, chair slips, conference base. Others: cushion covers, loose covers, curtain strips, blends, sheets, slippers. Staff of linen room. Supervisor. Ang ginagawa ng supervisor is monitor the process and linen room. Siya ang tagapagpangasiwa sa linen room. Tinitiyak niya ang wastong pag-iimbak ng mga linen and staff uniform. Next is laundry attendant. Ang ginagawa niya sa linen room is washing, drying, and folding clothes and linen. Next is linen attendant. Ang ginagawa niya is to issue linen. Tinitiyak nito ang paghahatid ng malinis na kagamitan ng mga guests like uniform, tuwalya, at linen. Next is linen attendant. Ang ginagawa niya sa linen room is to issue linen. Responsible for receiving and distributing clean, pressed uniforms for team members and the hotel. And lastly is seamstress or mananahi. Ang ginagawa niya sa linen room is ironing and stitching the linen.
Planning the linen room. 1. Location. The linen room should be accessible for receipt and dispatch of linen from the back entrance of the hotel. It should be situated near the service elevator. 2. Space. The minimum space requirement for a linen room is 6 square feet for a small hotel. Space is required for linen storage areas, linen exchange counter, and soiled linen collection area. 3. Entrance. Should be at least 4 feet wide to ensure easy movement of heavy trolley. 4. Floors in the walls. Floor tiles should be avoided as they tend to chip. Tiles wall are ideal. 5. Lighting and ventilation. Adequate ventilation is important to prevent growth of mildew. The air must be free of humidity and maintained at a temperature 20 Celsius. 6. Storage. The linen storage should be designed for maximum utilization of space. 7. Soiled linen area should be close to the entrance and must be large enough to accommodate all the soiled linen. 8. Linen exchange counter. Usually, a window without any grilles, with enough to fast bundle of linen through. 9. Uniform storage area. Uniform are normally hung on hangers, segregated according to designation and department. 10. Guest laundry area. Space must be allocated for storing, marking, and recording soiled guest articles before they are sent to the laundry. Lean room organization. There are two types of lean rooms. 1. Centralized lean room. 2. Decentralized lean room. 1. Centralized lean room. Lean from all floors are collected and sorted in one central area, main lean rooms. 2. Decentralized lean room. Each floor maintains its own fire stock of lean in the floor pantries. Floor supervisors are responsible for maintaining the power level.
Common laundry problem. A. Graying. There are several possible reasons. There could be impurities in the water. You may be using too much detergent that is slowly building up on the clothes. You could be washing them with dark clothing, and some of the dye is transferring to the white clothes. B. Yellowing. White clothes turn yellow due to sweat mixing with deodorants, too much bleach, or improper washing and rinsing. C. Greasy or oily stains. Sometimes we eat some oily foods or greasy foods, and then we accidentally pour some of the grease or oil in our shirts, and it's hard to remove, especially when you are wearing a white shirt. And the last one is color fading. Clothes tend to fade in the laundry cycle due to hot water washes, harsh detergents, and over drying. Stain removal procedure. These are procedures that may help us to remove kind of stain more easier. Number 1 is graying. Use white vinegar to refresh your whites and half a cup of white vinegar to your whites. This may be able to pull the gray or yellow hues that are staining your whites out of the fabric and help renew their original color. Alternatively, you may use a half cup of oxygen bleach to serve the same purpose. Second is yellowing. Mix equal parts of ammonia and water and pour it over the yellowish stain to soak. Let it dry or until the shirt is washed. Without ammonia, hydrogen peroxide can be used instead. Third is greasy or oily stain. Scrape and blot liquid dish soap for hand washing. Stain-free treatment or liquid enzyme detergent into the stain and let it sit for 10 minutes. Soak in warm or hot water for at least 30 minutes. Wash in the warmest water recommended on the care tag. And line dry. And last one is color fading. Add 1 cup of vinegar to the rinse cycle or 1/2 cup salt to the wash to help hold in color. Use color catcher sheets which traps extraneous dyes during the wash cycle to prevent bleeding. Don't overstuff your dryer. Clothes will dry faster.
Types of laundries: commercial or off-site or contracted laundries. Hotel linens are laundered and delivered to the hotel within 24 to 48 hours. This is a good option for hotels that do not want to make heavy loads and doing a laundry service. The contract specifies the rate of the different laundering linen and the time of laundering. On-premises or on-site or in-house laundry. An on-premises laundry or OPL is the hotel's laundry situated on the premises. It can be run by the management or managed on a contract. More care is taken while laundering in-house since it is the direct responsibility of the hotel. Premises laundry means the hotel has the capability of doing guest and hotel laundry, while the off-site means that same laundry has to be sent to be done somewhere, not on hotel property. Advantages of off-site laundries: no capital outlay, little technical expertise requires, labor costs are safe. Disadvantages: less control over standards, delivery and collection delays, high stock requires as it takes a longer time for the whole process to complete a single laundry cycle, including transportation. Loss of articles may increase, extra costs for special treatment. Advantages of on-site laundries. No losses or missing articles are likely to occur. Less stock required as the cycle is quicker. Can over emergency requirements is a capital asset. Disadvantages. The initial capital investment is high. Higher labor cost. Technical expertise or special management is required. High cost of maintenance, repairs, and overhead. So these are the disadvantages and advantages of off-site and on-site laundries.
Folding machine is a machine or domestic robot which folds apparel such that they can be stored compactly or orderly. A folding machine can be a part of or integrated with washing machine, clothes dryer, ironing machine, and wardrobe. Flatwork ironers are large commercial appliances which are used in businesses with high volumes of laundry, which iron sheets, pillowcases, tablecloths, and other large items automatically. Steam cabinet, known as a steam closet or clothes manager, is a refrigerator-sized machine that pumps in steam to kill odor-producing bacteria. Washing machine is a home appliance used to wash laundry. The term is mostly applied to machines that use water as opposed to dry cleaning or ultrasonic cleaners. Pressing machine is an appliance used to remove wrinkles from fabric and give clothes a clean pressed appearance.
Forms needed for packaging and storing laundry items. Hotels have standard operating procedures for managing the laundry area. This must be followed by all personnel to come up with the same quality of output and to deliver the laundered items on time. There are forms used by laundry attendants for packaging and storing laundry items. In these forms, transaction information was written for the reference of the valid staff and the customer. The following are the commonly used forms in the laundry area. Number 1 is laundry service form. Form is used to keep a file of requests from the guests, all the needed information, name of the requester, exact number of pieces, preference and service, and special instruction should be written to communicate the request clearly. The bill of service will be based on this form. If, for example, the guest requests to expedite the washing of his or her clothes, express service would entail an extra change during the billing. This charge must be reflected in the receipt. Itong laundry service form is kailangan nila tong fill upan para yung mga pinapalaban nila ay maibalik sa kanila. Yung mga gusto mong proseso sa pinalaundry mo, magpipill up ka lang dito kung ano yung mga gusto mong ipagawa. Like dito sa tick which is applicable, laundry ba, iron or dry cleaning. The bill of service will be based on this form. So dito sila nagbe-base kung magkano ba yung mga babayadan mo. Example, if yung guest is nag-request na padaliin yung paglalaban ng mga pinalaundry niya, is may kadagdagang bayad din yon. So lahat ng total na babayadin niya is dapat nasa receipt, na dapat pakikita yun.
Official receipt. The official receipt indicates the number of items laundered and the total amount due. It is printed in 3 copies, 1 copy for the guest, the second copy for the laundry department, and the third copy handed to the billing or accounting department. To the laundry attendant shall not accept payment for the services. The receipt handed to the billing department of the hotel. The laundry attendant shall check the receipt if the number of items tallies with the laundry request form. Observing details is always important in providing housekeeping services to the hotel guests in any area of housekeeping. So when it comes to official receipt, iyan kay ang garo documents na nagpapatunay ng garo sale of services Sabi dyan, it comes 3 copies sa room for guests, laundry department, and sa accounting department. May mga grounds din na para sa laundry attendant na dahil sinda pwede mag-receive ng payment para sa mga services na tigrander ninda. Kaya need talaga na may official receipt. And si mga laundry attendants din ang mga responsibility na mag-inventory or check ng laundry request form.
3. Monitoring shed. This is used by the hotel staff to monitor the linens circulating on the floor. It is a useful tool for tracing the location, the number, and the status of linens. So, monitoring shed is ang gumagamit nito ay ang mga hotel staff para ma-monitor nila kung ilan yung mga linens na i-collect nila and the status of linens, the location.